Hey, Bill at Clean Keepers. I'm glad you reached back out. Glad you got my message, and I'm more than happy to shoot you this video. And hopefully, it finds you well, and you want to know more. My name is Lee Terbianic. I was doing some research in your area and came across your site, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you could do to beat out your competitors and bring in a lot more business. So, and I'm interested in the quality business, the general business, the crime scene cleanup keywords and death clean keywords that are general, not somebody looking for you directly. So somebody would type, crime scene cleanup, Tampa, Florida, or Fort Myers, have you. So first things first, I want to touch base on 3 major things, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So content. Now, when I say content, I mean words, and Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage. That usually allows you to get enough information in and allows you to fit as many keywords, about up to 15, just on your homepage alone that you can rank for. Now, you got to think Google is just a crawling website, and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information explaining what you are and what you offer, then Google will not rank you according to. So you do have a nice site here. I do like the way you get your services set up. However, I do have to say I would like to see a form submit up here, and that just helps with converting clients a lot easier. They came to your site, they know they need your service, and that will just get sent right to your email, maybe a name, phone, a little message. I like you have your articles drop down with all of your services you offer, and hopefully on each of these pages you've done the keyword research for each. I suggest maybe a gallery page, testimonials, and then a contact us. But I do like the way you got things going, but you are lacking in the content department at this point. I also don't see a map, so that doesn't help, but I do like you got your social media icons and then your site map. A couple affiliation links, contact us. These click to call buttons are huge throughout, which this is not, and you can actually email through this though. But let's look at your competition. So I did biohazard cleanup Tampa, Florida. It's a bigger area. We'll have more search volume, and with the stuff that I know and can do, we can take over whatever you want to take over. So let's see who's ranking first here in this organic. SpaldingDecon.com. Not sure if you're familiar with them, but let's see what they got going on. So they got a little icon. They got their services listed. Call us now. Not a bad website, but we want to see what kind of content they have. So content here, content there, more content, more content, more content, some more content. As you can see, they have probably 700 words, 800 on their homepage. Not the optimized for Google, but more than most at the moment, so that's helping them. But that's okay. We go get that 1,500 words for yours. We'll beat them in that aspect. And what's important with these keywords is, so say you wanted to rank for biohazard cleanup Tampa, Florida. That's the main keyword. We know what the search volume is for it. We'd want that keyword bold letters right here on the heading. We'd want it in a title as an H1 title, so we'd want it right here. We'd want it listed in your text. That's telling Google, hey, I want to be found for this keyword. I got it in my content. I got it as my headings. It's the overall message on my page, and this is what I want to be found for. So you can do that with the more content you have. Okay, so we're going to get into your keywords here shortly. But I want to touch base on this stuff. So Google's broke down into 3 sections. These ads nowadays, they're a dime a dozen, very costly. They're good if you have them set up correctly. If not, they become a money pit. But I want to really focus on this map pack here and this organic section. So you're probably wondering, hey Lee, how do I get my business up in this map pack? Well, Google ranks you according to your citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook. So I wanted to see how many Spalding and Aftermath have. So I put in Spalding Decon, and it's showing he only has 3 citations. Now that's not very good, and none of them are showing at this point. So I say we go out and get 100, 200 of those for your business, beat them out by a landslide, and also it's going to get your name out there in more directories. Because who do you think Google's going to put up here in this map pack? Joe Schmo with with one website and no directory listings, or Spalding Decon, who's got MapQuest, he's got Yellow Pages, he's in Crime Scene Investigators Near Me, he's in everything, BBB, Chamber of Commerce. So the more places your name is, the more recognition you'll have, the bigger your web will be. So that's that. Now down here with the organic section, this is to me the most important. So this has to deal with your website, and what ranks you here is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links back to your website. Now you don't want irrelevant websites linking back to you. Say Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink and link back to your website. That's not going to transfer as much power as another crime scene cleanup website or a suicide death website that has a blog written, and in that content they have a keyword that would link to your website. I'm sure you've seen it before. You click on one of those words and it takes you to another website, same thing. Yes, those are backlinks, and Google considers them votes. The more websites that are willing to send their traffic to your site, the more powerful you are, the more votes you have, boop, 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 the higher you'll be in the rankings. So that is that. Now, I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this shows me a basic stats. So I wanted to see how many backlinks you guys have and what your stats are compared to that top guy, Spalding Decon. So I put your site in, Fort Myers Biohazard Cleaning, and you have a 29 and a 0.7. Now, you have 316 backlinks, but that tells me they're not very strong because of this number. This is the overall backlink profile compared to others. So this goes up to 100. If you had good backlinks, this number would be a 29. That would be ideal, the 1-to-1 ratio, 29-29. But only 46 of yours are transferring any power. But you are ranking for 196 keywords, and you're getting about 60 traffic at the moment. So Spalding's, who's in first place, look at his numbers. And this is just his Tampa page. He's getting 124 traffic just for his Tampa location. I could show you his full website for all his locations real quick, and let's see what he's doing fully in all his locations. So let this load up. Domain, here we go, 7,000 keywords. So say Spalding Decon had service pages, one in Tampa, one in Jacksonville, one in Fort Myers, one here, one there. All those pages, this is what's showing the total. Look at how much traffic he's getting to his site out of all of them. Look at his value. This could be you if we did this, and it's all right here. All his stats, everything. But let's focus on the page we got to beat for the website that you have right now. So that is this Florida Tampa page. This page is that location page showing up here. So he has 72 keywords. He's getting 124 traffic. But let's see what kind of keywords he's got. So we got crime scene cleanup Tampa, Florida. 50 searches a month for that. Crime scene cleanup Tampa, 40 searches. Crime scene cleanup Florida, 100. Tampa tear gas, we buy houses. Crime scene cleanup Tampa, 40. Crime scene cleanup training in Florida, 20. Crime scene cleanup jobs. Go now, crime scene cleanup, 50, 50, 50. Mold removal, 200. Wow. It's 200 people looking for mold removal in Tampa every month. This is a monthly number. Mold removal Tampa FL, 2020. Biohazard cleanup, 300. Sharps disposal, mold remediation Tampa, 60. So that just goes to show you that there's tons of search volume, but if you're not being found, but let's see what you are being found for. Your main keyword you're being found for is filthy house cleaning service near me. Not too ideal, and you're getting about 20. Biohazard cleaning services, that's a global keyword. You want ones with Florida or Tampa or Fort Myers behind them, because you know that's a quality lead. That's somebody looking for biohazard cleaning. They're looking in your area and they're searching for you. But if you're not ranking on this first page or in the map pack, they're not going to find you. They're going here, Spalding, or they're going here or here. So I suggest doing a little recap. I'd love to speak with you more and help you out with this. If you want, give me a call anytime. My name's Lee Turbianic, 570-240-5257. Shoot me a text, and most likely I'll call you right back, and we could talk, and I'd love to help you out with this. So first things first, get that 1,500 words on your homepage so we could squeeze these keywords in there. You could put one per every 100 words. And a little example of what that looks like. Here's a website we did for a plumber out in Woodland Hills. So he wanted to rank for plumber Woodland Hills. Beautiful site I built. All his services, all his locations he wanted to target. So each page will rank out there like that guy's doing right now to you. It's quick to form so people can fill out and convert into a client quickly. His socials, his things. But here's the keyword. Look, Woodland Hills Plumber. So we got his picture saved as it. We got it in a title. We got it in his content, bolded. We got it multiple ways. So because people type things different ways. Plumber Woodland Hills. Plumber Woodland Hills. Again, plumber in Woodland Hills. That's another one. Plumber Woodland Hills CA. You got to get all the variations in. But I'm here to help. So content. Second thing was citations. Name, address, and phone number get up in this directory, map pack. And the third thing was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing back at your website to show Google that your company is the authoritative company. So if you do all these, and you'll be #1 across Google. Feel free to reach out at any time. My name's Lee Terbienic, 570-240-5257. Look forward to talking with you, Bill, and I hope you have a great day, man. Thanks for reaching out.